Today with the 2019 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, bed liner, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, running boards, steel wheels, navigation system, backup camera, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.